everybody, today we're making potato rolls. Got all my ingredients here, including my potatoes. Got cooked and mashed potatoes here. So I got some warm milk, a cup of warm milk, and to that I'm going to add my dry active yeast. You want to make sure your milk is warm so the yeast gets activated. I heated my milk to 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. Anything hotter, you're going to kill the yeast. If it's not hot enough, the yeast won't be activated. So we'll set that aside. I got 3 cups of bread flour here. I'm going to add that to my stand mixer. If you have all-purpose flour, you can use it, but I recommend using the bread flour. Add in my salt. I have 2 tablespoons of white sugar and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. We'll let those dry ingredients mix together. I'll have the full list of ingredients listed in the description. And now we'll add our potatoes here. I just put these potatoes in the microwave, let them cook until they're tender, and just scooped out the flesh. I have 1 egg plus 1 egg yolk. Let those ingredients incorporate. And once those are incorporated, we could add our yeasty milk mixture. Slowly drizzle that in and let that form a dough. About 2 minutes or so. So once the mixture is resembling a nice dough, it's not too sticky, I have some room temperature softened butter here. I'm going to add a little bit at a time. And make sure that butter gets incorporated. Add the rest. And the dough is going to appear sticky, but that's okay. Don't add any more flour to it. Just flour the work surface. Get the dough on there. Put a little more flour on the top. And just gently shape that into a ball. The dough doesn't need to be heavily kneaded anymore. Our dough hook did that. I have a greased bowl here. And just place the dough in there. And I'll let this rise about 2 hours until it's doubled in size. Just leave it in a warm spot covered with a clean dish towel. 2 hours later, our dough is doubled in size. We'll take it out of our bowl here. We're going to portion this out. So I'm going to be using this for burgers. So I'm going to make them about 110 grams each. I want them to be even. Of course, this could be used for dinner rolls or anything you like. So once measured out, we're just going to form it into balls. Just using your palm here, place it on your work surface, and roll it into a ball. Just fold the dough onto itself, and just repeat the process. Once you have all your portions, I'm going to put it on a sheet tray lined with parchment paper. We want to let these proof again, about another 30 minutes to an hour. Just cover it with another sheet tray and let it do its thing. You don't want to cover it with plastic wrap because the dough will stick to it as it rises. You can see these are doubled in size and this is ready to go. Just going to brush it with an egg wash. This is just 1 egg beaten with a tablespoon of water, and what this is going to do is make sure our potato rolls are nice and golden brown. And I have my oven preheated to 375 Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius. I'm going to bake these off for about 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. And these are ready to go. Perfect homemade potato rolls. Only thing left to do is brush them with some melted butter and they are absolutely perfect. Next time you have burgers, make these homemade potato rolls. There'll be no way you could go back to store-bought burger buns. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Hit the like button. I really appreciate it. Helps this channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. I put out new videos every week. I'll see you next time.